Hello, welcome to episode 1 of Across the Tailgate, brought to you by HTS Ag. I'm Adam Gittens.
And I'm Cody Vanderholm.
So what is Across the Tailgate? We've been looking for a way with the years of experience that HTS Ag has in the industry, both in precision ag and other places in ag technology, to share some of that knowledge and to get the information out there about what it is we do with our customers, good field trial information, smart people that we come across that we want to share information from. And Cody, you had this idea, this brainchild of yours, of Across the Tailgate, and just to be a real and authentic conversation, not anything staged or set up, but just a way for us to chat and to get some information out there. Tell us a little bit about that.
So when I had the idea of coming up with Across the Tailgate, that was one of the things that, as you can see, we're out in the middle of a field type of thing. We can sit out here and we can talk about stuff. We can look at, information and have an educational, but have an entertaining way to present it to people that want to, sit down and watch and be able to see that. And I really feel that it's going to be a fun way as we go through this mini series of being able to provide that information and have a way to share that in a different format than the old sit in front of a computer and I'm watching slides. And so I'm really looking forward to it as we get through this. We've had a lot of times, talking about who we're going to have on the episode and what we're going to do and show, and I'm really excited about it.
Now, Cody, you talked about entertainment. I don't plan on doing cartwheels. Let's get this straight.
Well,
but I do think that we're gonna have some fun doing this, and I'm really excited about some of the people that we're gonna bring in and be able to interview and get some great content from that we can share with a lot of people and get some really good information out there that's beneficial to their operation and will drive profitability for their bottom line.
Right, and I know the first one we talked about is having Brett Bueller from Ag Leader come out, and when we look at what we've done throughout the year in the trial plot that you put in, that's something that's very entertaining to look through and to see some data come out of that. So we're looking really forward to having Brett come on as episode 2, I guess, and gonna see. Brett's always entertaining to listen to, so I'm excited.
Absolutely. Well, Cody, I'm grateful for the idea that you brought up and that we were able to chat about it, and happy to see this actually starting to come to life now. So with that, we'll wrap up episode 1 and look forward to episode 2 coming soon. Have a great day.
Thanks, guys, for watching.